Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and today I am going to tell you the myth of the lazy dishwasher. So recently, I received this comment. So I thought I'd take a moment to explain why this is completely and utterly incorrect. First, let's address the claim that dishwashers are a waste of water. Now, if you're saying it's a waste of water because the dishes aren't coming out clean, I have plenty of other videos that explain why your dishes might be coming out dirty at the end of a cycle. And spoiler alert, most of the time it is not the dishwasher's fault. But regarding the idea that dishwashers use too much water and that hand washing is a more effective use of water, yeah, that's a very common misconception that I think people have because they don't actually understand how a dishwasher functions. And that's partially because when people think of a dishwasher, a lot of times they're thinking of outdated technology from decades ago. Appliances have come a long way since the days of the first dishwasher, which debuted in the early 1800s and was cranked by hand.
Dishwashers in the 1960s used up to 16 gallons of water per cycle, but by the late 70s, dishwashers were averaging around 11 to 15 gallons per cycle, and by the year 2000, that average had decreased to about 6 to 10 gallons per cycle.
That was 24 years ago. Nowadays, as of July 19th, 2023,
ENERGY STAR certified dishwashers, which are very easy to find in the US now, use a maximum of 3.2 gallons per cycle.
And keep in mind, in order to earn that ENERGY STAR certification, that 3.2 gallons is a requirement that must be proven. Most kitchen sinks in the US have an average flow rate of 2.2 gallons per minute with the sink on full blast.
With the flow-reducing nozzle, that number can be reduced to 1.5 gallons per minute.
Most modern dishwashers can wash 10 to 12 place settings worth of dishes all in one go. Most people, when hand washing dishes, take an average of 15 seconds per item. And that's not including the extra time it takes for the items that require a little more elbow grease. 15 seconds of running water multiplied by 50 items gives you 750 seconds, or about 12 and a half minutes. But let's say the water was only running half the time, so just over 6 minutes. That's still 13.2 gallons of water used to hand wash the same amount of dishes that a dishwasher can wash using a maximum of 3.2 gallons.
For hand washing to be more efficient, you'd have to be able to wash everything in under 2 minutes with the water running the whole time, or fill your sink with about 4 gallons of water and wash your dishes in that. If you're letting your sink run the entire time you're washing dishes, you've already used the same amount of water as a dishwasher after 2 minutes.
Those are quotes from an article by Food52.com, but that article was from 2017 using 2017 numbers. Updating that with the new ENERGY STAR number of 3.2 gallons, you'd have to wash everything in under a minute and a half with the water running, or fill the sink with 3.2 gallons of water. Good luck! And while dishwasher technology has been improving, so has dishwasher detergent technology.
Older dishwasher detergents utilized phosphates to clean dishes, which have since been phased out due to their overwhelmingly negative impact on the environment. More recent advancements in detergent technology utilize surfactants, oxygen-based bleaching agents, and even enzymes, which are similar to those found in the human digestive tract and are used to digest food. So technically, modern dishwasher detergents eat the food right off of your dishes. And aside from the detergent, the temperature of the water and the amount of time bacteria is exposed to it also make a huge difference. In an article published to the Journal of Travel Medicine and later uploaded to the National Library of Medicine's website, an experiment was performed where they contaminated 5 containers of water with E. coli bacteria. Each container of water was heated to a different temperature, ranging from 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit, all the way up to 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature at which water boils and turns into steam. After heating the water for varying amounts of time, samples were taken of each and examined under a microscope. The water at 25 and 50 degrees Celsius had no effect on the bacteria. The water at 60 degrees Celsius killed the bacteria when the temperature was maintained for at least 5 minutes, and the water at 70 and 100 degrees Celsius killed the bacteria at any length of time.
At 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it only takes about 3 to 5 seconds of contact to burn your skin. The average dishwasher heats the water between 130 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit during the main wash cycle, and can get up to 180 degrees during a heated dry. Additionally, the water at those temperatures is being circulated and recirculated throughout the dishwasher during the cycle. So in a dishwasher, your dishes are being exposed to hotter water temperatures for longer amounts of time. When you're hand washing, your dishes are not exposed to those temperatures for anywhere near as long. And that's also assuming that you are using the hottest water available from your tap, and taking into consideration the fact that, unlike a dishwasher, you don't have an additional heater that maintains that water temperature once the water leaves the tap. And even if you did, you wouldn't be able to withstand that temperature when hand washing without burning yourself. And yes, that even goes for using gloves. So now that we've established that dishwashers definitely use less water than hand washing, let's talk about time. Is it true that modern dishwashers can take 2 to 3 hours to wash a load of dishes? Yes, because according to Herbert Sinner's Circle of Cleaning,
developed by chemist Herbert Sinner in 1959, which has been the gold standard of how to clean stuff ever since, whether you realize it or not, there are 4 factors of cleaning: time, temperature, chemistry, and mechanics. If you change one of those factors, you must change the other 3 to compensate, otherwise proper cleaning will not occur.
Because newer dishwashers use less water and lower temperatures, they have to run for a little longer in order to compensate for that loss of water and temperature. So now that we've established that technology is advanced enough to clean your dishes as well, and in fact, better than hand washing. As for saving time, yes, hand washing may make you feel like you're saving time because it takes less time for the dishes to be cleaned, but you have to be the one to physically clean them. So you have to physically be there the entire time. You're also using more water, more electricity, more detergent, and the dishes are not getting as clean. Meanwhile, I wrote this entire video while washing 12 place settings worth of dishes at the same time in my dishwasher. Feels more like efficiency than laziness to me, but what do I know?